in a galaxy far, far away. Finding email addresses was a nightmare. Well, guess what? We fixed it. Meet MailSlicer, the tool that slices through the web to find the information you need faster than a rumor spreads in an office. Sick of emails bouncing back like that karma? We know. With MailSlicer, find and verify business email addresses with surgical precision. Only pay for fully verified emails. Why settle for less? Join the ranks of businesses that trust MailSlicer to enhance their outreach and work smarter, not harder. Sign up today and benefit from our free forever plan, giving you leads daily, because everyone deserves a little free magic. Harness the power of data with MailSlicer. Visit mailslicer.io. I would get started now. Or don't and keep wasting your time.